Hello, boys and girls. Yes, I want to talk to you. About what? About strange dogs. Why? Because you might get hurt. How? I think I'd better tell you. Please, listen to this. If you see a dog that you do not know, please stand very still, do not try to go. Look the other way without delay, and everything may be okay. If you start to run, then the dog may attack. He might knock you down or jump on your back. Do not touch the dog, stand still like a stone. Hopefully the dog will leave you alone. What's that, boys and girls? You understand about dogs now? Oh, thank you. I'm glad that was helpful. Oh, you'd like to talk about fire? You like to watch things burn? Oh my, please listen to this. If you see a fire, do not go near, 'cause a fire is something that you should fear. Tell an adult you know about the fire you see. The adult will tell you where you should be. If you see a match or lighter laying around, leave those things right on the ground. Again, tell an adult that's what you should do. Everyone will be proud of you. What's that, boys and girls? You do understand that fire is dangerous? That's great. You want to talk about water safety? You like to go swimming? Oh, that's great. Water can be fun, but please listen to this. If you go to swim in a swimming pool, please try your best to obey each rule. Make very sure an adult is with you, and a lifeguard needs to be there too. If you go for a hike and you see a creek or lake, don't go near the water, that would be a big mistake. The water may be deep, the current swirling round. We want you to be safe, so stay on dry ground.